Hi guys, nice to see you again. I'm Chrissy. Today I'm working on a A4 canvas sheet which is roughly 11 by 8, and today I'm doing a monochrome painting. So I'm using Payne's Grey and titanium white. So I hope you enjoy this, guys. It's nice to make something just with a couple of colours. Well, one colour plus your white. And I think you'll enjoy this, and if you do, you can leave me a thumbs up. I appreciate that. So as you can see, I'm putting these colours down. I'm darkening some of it, just using the Payne's Grey out the tube, and the lighter sections, obviously, where I've added the white. This will work with black as well, but I thought Payne's Grey is just a nice softer colour, and it'll also work with Prussian blue. I thought I'd use the Payne's Grey today. So I want the nice atmospherical scene going on here, like a really chilly, eerie feel to it. That's how I felt when I was painting it. And a bit of a lonesome feel, do you know what I mean? So I'm putting some darker paint there, as you can see at the bottom. So I just want to silhouette it in slightly, but not too much. And I want to add a bit of that grass texture, but not much detail. So on the horizon, I'm just using my little sword brush. 1/4" sword brush. I just want some distant trees there, but nothing too over detailed. And I want to keep them quite soft with no harsh edges. As you can see, I'm blending out the distant horizon line, so I don't really want a harsh line. A few shadows there, so I've tinted it again so it's not as dark. Just adding a little bit of white. Now I'm putting my lonely tree in. He's all lonely. And this is a good study to get your values correct as well. So if you appreciate this, you can leave me a comment. And if you've any questions, obviously, you can write down your questions and I'll get back to you. So using this brush again, you can use any brush you're comfortable with, but I do like this sword brush because it gets really nice detailed lines for branches and twigs and things. And I like using it a lot in my artwork. So all this is just this lonely tree sat here minding its own business. Like I say, it's a good study to get your values right. You didn't even have to put the tree in. You could have just done a couple of birds flying or anything like that. Or you could have put a few trees in. It's up to you. If you like watching me art, you can create these paintings also. And if you like to share stuff, I've got a Facebook group. You can share stuff in there. And I also have an Instagram account and Twitter. All you have to do is tag me in and I'll see your art. So I'm just using a drier brush now. I haven't got it as wet, this brush, because I like to just spray it out a little bit. And it gives some beautiful textures. You can see here, just like an odd twig just sticking out, or clumps of branches that hold the leaves, obviously, when it's in bloom. And it just fills out the tree really nice. But a little round brush would be cool as well, or a flat brush. I just like the texture it gives, that's why I like using this brush. The little liner brush, just put some few little branches in there. So I've got that quite wet, that paint, so it flows off your brush. Just add some little twigs. And you can do a few of these and do like multiple of them, you know what I mean, and put them all together and look really cool. You know, framed up on your wall, they'd look really nice. In this colour, you could do like a monotone colour in like a sienna colour or a raw umber colour, as well as Payne's Grey, and you could do a darker colour as well using the black and white. It's up to you. You know, you could do a few different designs as well. This is just inspiration, and I hope you enjoy it. Just darkening that trunk a little bit. Just using the neat Payne's Grey. Just a few more twiggy branches. You can put as many branches in or as few branches as you want. So thanks guys, you enjoyed this and I hope to see you again soon. And thanks a lot for popping by and give us a thumbs up. Thank you. On screen now are 2 videos you may like to watch, and if you're not already subscribed, click on my face and be sure to click the icon bell to get a notification. As always, thanks for watching and create something wonderful. See you all soon on my next video.